Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and applying customer bonuses in your ERP system. This will help you reward your loyal clients while streamlining your billing process. Let's begin optimizing your ERP system by implementing customer bonus functionality. First, head to the Set Customer Points Configuration option. We have already configured the points system such that for every 100 rupees spent by a customer, they will earn 1 point, with each point valued at 1 rupee. Additionally, there is an option to set up bonus point slabs based on shopping amounts. We have configured the following bonus slabs. For example, when a customer spends 100 rupees, they will receive 5 bonus points, and when they spend 200 rupees, they will receive 8 bonus points. Click the Save button to save the changes. Next, head to the Sale Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series and enable the Implement Customer Bonus in Billing option by ticking the checkbox. Don't forget to save the changes made. Let's generate a sales bill to observe the working of this feature. Upon saving the bill, you will be able to view the discounts applicable to this transaction, including customer points-based discounts. To apply the points discount, simply select the Customer Point-Wise Discounts option. Upon selecting the points discount option, a confirmation message will appear, providing details such as the total points earned, bonus points, and the points value. If you wish to proceed with redeeming the points, click the Yes button. Upon confirmation, a new screen will open where you can specify the number of points the customer intends to redeem as a discount on the current bill. Let's redeem only 5 points for this bill. Upon entering the number of points, the software will automatically calculate and display the total discount value based on the 5 customer points. Finally, click on OK button. The customer points have been successfully added to the bill. You can also monitor the customer points through the Customer Point Ledger report for tracking. This report offers comprehensive insights into the details of customer points. Hence, this feature is highly beneficial for rewarding loyal customers, helping to strengthen business relationships by offering personalized incentives.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.